Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to access CapCut Space on mobile, step by step. It's super simple, so stick around to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the CapCut app. You'll find the CapCut icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Next, make sure you're logged into your CapCut account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can quickly create one by following the on-screen instructions. Step 3. Now, once you're inside the app, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap on Library. This is where you can manage all your media and projects. Step 4. Finally, in the Library section, look for the cloud icon labeled Space. Once you see it, tap on it. This is your CapCut Space where you can access your cloud-stored projects and files. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.